So new Defender, this is the package where it has the roof rack and the ladder. That's obviously a Mopar, and one other reason I don't like that car. We're gonna open it, it's locked, so you can lock it so nobody goes up there. All you gotta do from up there. And then, that's pretty cool. This feels wrong.
Looks so
nice. This feels very wrong. I'm pretty sure there's no other. Okay, 150 kilograms max. I'm pretty sure. Oh my gosh. That's how do you get up on the roof rack. Sick. It's got like this really weird shape so it could clear the antenna in the back. This car's got everything if you want to have an adventure with it. So I'm gonna come back down without falling down. Just like the old Discoveries, it has the windows in the back on the top. So those are a really cool feature. I believe you can get a third row. He doesn't have it. It has AC back here too. This thing also has air suspension like the newer Range Rovers. Check out these lights. I mean, this is really probably the coolest feature in my opinion, design-wise. These square lights and these two little square lights right there. We modeled this car after an older Defender style. He wanted to do this green with the white top. So we went ahead and wrapped the green. It's a very traditional green color. Some people will like it, some people might think it's a little funky. And he also sent us these wheels. Goes pretty cool with the green. Some people are gonna think there's too much color going on, but I think it's fun. Interior is like a khaki green with wood, so really cool there. Obviously, the Defender markings. Traditionally also has those metal plates up here on the hood so you can step on it if you want to. Let us know what you guys think about the new Defenders. I'm sure we're gonna get a lot more of these in here, but other than that, really cool with the white top. Hope you guys like it.
Alright, so our buddy Mo is here to pick up his car. I'm sure you guys know that we park a lot of cars. We have a lot of cars, so we do use parking space at this restaurant that we park our cars at. Man, there's a lot of cars here, a lot of crazy cars here. There's so many selections here, it's unbelievable. So this restaurant has a lot of comeback customers, repeat customers, just like we do at our place. So every time I come here to pick up a car, everyone looks at me very, very strange. Probably wondering how much money I have because I always take a different car back and I do this daily. So every time I come here and I take another car, people just stare at me just wondering what's going on. None of them belong to me. The only thing that belongs to me is my 94 Toyota Camry. It would be so funny if one of them looks now. Try to get that. That would be hilarious. One of them might look. Just try to get one of them looking at us, which would be funny.
The baby, not with the baby. Alright, no one looked.
They were looking. You missed them. So we have a 528 BMW here. This car came in with the check engine light on, so we are changing the oil level sender, the purge valve. Also, we have a headlight bulb that's out. We're doing that, and we're gonna do a service. Oil's really bad, pitch black, right, Javier?
Yeah, look at that.
All right, guys, my good buddy right here just got a black badge Cullinan. Literally received it yesterday. Beautiful white with orange interior. It's crazy. Orange interior, black badge, as you can see the trims right there. So white on orange. This one just came real quick to throw on some Mansory wheels. So 24-inch Mansory wheels on there. That's all it's got. Looks incredible. A lot more is planned on this car, so keep watching. White Cullinan, we just finished up. Mansory 24-inch wheels, color matching all the trims. Some of you guys saw on Instagram, we turned this car around in about 42 hours. Literally took it apart, prepped it, painted it the right way to the body color, slapped it back on, and it's done. These cars deserve to be color matched because they have big plastic trims all around the bottom of the car, especially in the back. So we take them off and we paint them, and it looks way better. The first Cullinan to ever do that was Yogadi's. We did about 2 years ago. So it's on the tow truck right now. This car right here is also the same owner's car. This is the GT2 RS you guys saw in car with Luis. Freaked him out. He his pants and all that stuff. He changed his diaper, whatever. We added a few things on it. Powder coated the wheels so they're fresh and new. We installed stripes on the front end, red stripes along the factory white stripes. Well, that's the color of the car. We also did a red GT2 RS sticker on the front lip, so that looks really cool. We installed the carbon fiber intake covers in the front, and we installed some carpeting inside. So quite a bit of work on this RS. It looks really good. We're gonna take it out right now and get on the tow truck.
Bro, it's your manager. Imagine other places, their manager drive a nice car.
Besides you two,
Okay.
who knows you drive a nice car?
People think it's like, where do you work? I have to represent RDBLA, correct? Okay. So it's your image. I have to make.
Okay, before my years,
Yeah.
I drove a cheaper car than you drive right now.
You used to drive a Range Rover.
Yes.
It was $120,000 car.
How much was your car?
Okay, but how many cars do you have? You have a Royce. It's 400,000. URUS. You have a Range Rover. So imagine you pull up somewhere
Moses has a camera.
with the.
Exactly.
And he's
Moses,
10 times smarter
Moses,
than you.
who's way smarter than you for
Oh,
sure.
for sure.
He's been here much longer than you. He drives a Camry, but he owns like 15 houses.
That's true.
What's better?
Most, how many businesses do you own? Here he comes.
I'm going into the house, but I need help on this one. Because the income's so low, I need help.
Why don't you ask Sarkis? Apparently, he loves spending money. He's the only one that has that RDB hoodie.
Yeah.
Moses, what's the best way to invest your money?
Put a down payment for a house. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, just buy a Ferrari FA.
Why? What would you do with 200 grand? Invest it in stocks and lose everything?
No.
Why?
It's a 400 billion, bro.
Invest. Does your car
Buy a house.
make you make more money?
Of course it does. Say how.
I pay you.
No, just
Obviously,
say. Okay, just say how.
I would pay you more if you had a cheaper car.
Okay, just say
Because I
how.
would feel bad for you.
Okay, just say how. Okay, just say how.
How what?
So mean.
How it makes a profit.
He's lying because I have a cheaper car. He doesn't feel bad for me.
Whenever I drive my car, there's an accident. People ask, "Oh, where do you work?"
It's
I
not
do, I
the-
work
What?
at RDBLA.
You've
So-
never done that. It's been 3 years. You've never done that. Jake Pauls Performante right here. As you guys saw in the previous episode, it was finished up, but we had a few little tweaks we wanted to do. We asked also the viewers if we should change anything on the side of the car. Most of the guys said to remove the mirror cover that we wrapped. So we took that off and they said to do a stripe there. So that was also one of my choices. I think it looks better, so good job guys. There's gonna be a new segment on RDB. We're gonna let you guys customize cars. This car, we also painted the brakes. So last time you guys saw it, the brakes were red and the parking brake was blue, which was weird. But now we painted the brakes to match the wrap actually. We also made Performante stickers in the wrap color. So now the side also has a Performante. And the side profile looks honestly very clean now. Some people said to get rid of the big stripe. I mean, that would make sense, but I think it's a cool little touch. So yeah, now it's officially done. We're gonna get it to Jake in Miami. And yeah, he has basically a new car.
So this BMW 528i is all finished. We are good to go. There's no lights. Car drives beautiful. Check engine light's gone. That's that. We're almost wrapping it up here today at RDB. It's about almost 6 o'clock. We're still waiting for a few clients. As you guys can see, it's dark already. So we are gonna have a pretty nice Sunday. You guys know it's the Super Bowl. My prediction, I think, I'm probably gonna go with the Kansas City Chiefs because of Patrick Mahomes. A little bit younger. He's really good. So that's my predictions. You guys will probably already see the Super Bowl by the time this video is out. So that's that. But yeah, I'm going with the Kansas City Chiefs. Have a good night.
It's good. Sarkis run.
I knew you. I think you're the goodest person, but
I tried to hate you, and I don't know how I don't even know how to do that to hate you. You're the worst manners I have in my life.